everyone. Myself Sandhya. I'm pursuing BTech in Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning in Christ University KKD campus. So the objective for my project was brain tumor detection, which uses a CNN model to scan the MRI scans that I upload, and it will divide the tumor, if it is present in the scan, into four categories. One is pituitary tumor. Second one is glioma and meningioma. And if there's no tumor in that, it will just say there's no tumor. So this is the app. So if you search for cortexinsight.stream.app, here this is the landing page. Here is an upload option. Either you can upload the MRI scan or you can just drag and drop. This part will show which kind, in case there is a tumor present, it will show which category of tumor that it comes under. And it will also show like the confidence score with a 3D model of the brain that will show exactly where the tumor is. So I will show how that works. So now I'm uploading the MRI scan of this brain and I click on run analysis. So here it will show that the given tumor is a pituitary tumor, and it will also show the confidence score where my CNN model has predicted it to be. It's here you can observe that the pituitary tumor is the highest, so it will show that it is that category of tumor, and also show the 3D model of the brain with the tumor located in the exact position. You can zoom in and see, and you can also view it from the top. So it will show where the tumor is present. And going down here, this is not the proper, like accurate clinical measurement. It's just an approximate from the scan. It shows what volume of the whole image, the gray matter or the tissue of the brain is seen. And it will also give you an approximation of the tumor diameter and volume in mm square. And here it also gives us a heat map, which will highlight all the part where there's no gray matter and just the tumor part and the outline, and it also overlays it on top of the MRI scan. For the LLM integration, I've used Grok AI as it is. It gives free API keys. And so what this exactly does is it bridges the gap between just an ML output and actually understanding what the scan is saying. So this Grok takes the readings from my CNN model and it will give you an explanation of what exactly the report tells you. And if you go down, it will also show you the history of whatever was given. I will give another MRI scan. So as you can see, this shows another category of the tumor. And you can see it is located in a different section. So the tech stack that I used here was Streamlit for the UI to make it interactive and for the 3D model of the brain. And then I used Python as my code language, where I use OpenCV to scan the images and convert it into an array. And I trained a CNN model on BRISC dataset on Kaggle that has around 7,200 brain MRI scans. That is under each category. And I also used, for the deployment, I used Streamlit since it's easily accessible. So to explain about the workflow, what exactly happens here is you upload an image of the MRI scan, and OpenCV captures that MRI scan and converts that into an image array, which is then sent to my CNN model for the classification and the segmentation task. The outputs from this CNN model is then sent to the Grok AI to give a simple explanation of the report. And this is how my project